Bronchitis. Causes, symptoms, diagnosis and treatment. Bronchitis is a respiratory disease characterized by inflammation of the bronchial tubes which carry air to the lungs. The condition can be acute or chronic, with varying degrees of severity. Causes of bronchitis. Bronchitis is usually caused by a viral or bacterial infection, with the following factors increasing the risk. 1. Smoking. Tobacco smoke irritates the bronchial tubes, making them more susceptible to infection. 2. Air pollution. Exposure to pollutants such as dust, chemicals, and secondhand smoke can contribute to bronchitis. 3. Weakened immune system. Individuals with compromised immune systems, such as those with HIV/AIDS or undergoing chemotherapy, are more prone to bronchitis. 4. Genetic predisposition. Some people may be more susceptible to bronchitis due to their genetic makeup. Symptoms of bronchitis. The symptoms of bronchitis may vary depending on the severity and type of the condition. 1. Coughing. A persistent mucus-producing cough is a hallmark symptom of bronchitis. 2. Mucus production. Thick, yellow or greenish mucus is often coughed up. 3. Shortness of breath. Bronchitis can cause difficulty breathing, especially in severe cases. 4. Chest discomfort. Tightness or pain in the chest may occur. 5. Fatigue. Bronchitis can leave individuals feeling tired and weak. 6. Fever. A low-grade fever may be present. Diagnosis of bronchitis. Diagnosing bronchitis typically involves 1. Physical examination. A doctor will listen to the lungs and check for signs of respiratory distress. 2. Chest X-ray. An X-ray may be taken to rule out pneumonia or other lung conditions. 3. Pulmonary function tests. These tests measure lung function and capacity. 4. Sputum analysis. A sample of mucus may be analyzed to determine the presence of bacteria or other pathogens. Treatment of bronchitis. Treatment for bronchitis depends on the underlying cause and severity of the condition. 1. Antibiotics. Bacterial bronchitis may be treated with antibiotics. 2. Cough suppressants. Medications may be prescribed to relieve coughing. 3. Expectorants. Expectorants can help loosen and clear mucus. For bronchodilators, these medications can help open up the airways. 5. Rest and hydration. Getting plenty of rest and staying hydrated can help the body recover. 6. Oxygen therapy. In severe cases, oxygen therapy may be necessary. Complications of bronchitis. Untreated or severe bronchitis can lead to complications such as 1. Pneumonia. Bacterial bronchitis can increase the risk of developing pneumonia. 2. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD). Recurrent bronchitis can contribute to the development of COPD. 3. Respiratory failure. Severe bronchitis can cause respiratory failure, requiring hospitalization. Prevention of bronchitis. Preventing bronchitis involves 1. Quitting smoking. Smoking cessation can significantly reduce the risk of bronchitis. 2. Avoiding pollutants. Minimizing exposure to air pollutants, such as dust and chemicals, can help prevent bronchitis. 3. Getting vaccinated. Receiving flu and pneumonia vaccines can help prevent bronchitis. 4. Practicing good hygiene. Frequent hand washing and avoiding close contact with individuals who have bronchitis can help prevent the spread of the condition.